Hello everyone. Are you looking for ways to make money online? The internet offers a vast landscape of opportunities, and with the right skills, you can turn your passion into profit. Today, we are counting down the 5 in-demand skills that can help you thrive in the online world in 2024. The traditional 9 to 5 grind isn't for everyone. The good news: the digital age has unlocked a treasure trove of opportunities to make money online. And we are not talking about clicking ads or filling out surveys. If you are looking to ditch the commute and become your own boss, this video is your roadmap to success. We are counting down the 5 demand skills you can master to turn your online presence into a money-making machine in 2024. So buckle up and get inspired to discover the path to online financial freedom. Freelance writing or content creation. Businesses and individuals constantly require fresh content for websites, blogs, and social media. If you have a knack for writing clear, engaging content, freelance writing and content creation could be your perfect side hustle. Excellent writing skills, grammar proficiency, ability to research and meet deadlines, knowledge of search engine optimization is a plus point. Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Guru. Content mills. You can also pitch directly to businesses or blogs in your niche. Your earning potential varies depending on your experience, skills, and platform. Rates can range from $0.05 per word to $1 per word. The time commitment is flexible. You can set your own hours and workload. Build a strong online portfolio showcasing your writing samples. Network with other freelance writers and content creators. Take online courses or workshops to hone your skills in specific areas like SEO writing or copywriting. Online tutoring. The demand for online tutoring has skyrocketed in recent years. If you excel in a particular subject, you can leverage your knowledge by tutoring students online. You need skills, strong understanding of the subject you want to tutor, excellent communication and teaching skills, patience with students. The platforms you need to find work are as Chegg Tutors, Wisent, TutorMe, Schooly, or create your own platforms for advertising online through word of mouth. Your earning potential varies depending on experience, subject, and platform. Rates can range from $15 to $50 per hour. Time commitment includes flexible. You can set your own hours and schedule tutoring sessions around your studies. You can get work by identifying the subjects you are comfortable tutoring. Choose a reputable online tutoring platform or build your own online presence. Consider creating sample lessons, plans, or short explainer videos to showcase your expertise. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant provides remote administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients. Tasks can vary widely but may include scheduling appointments, managing emails, social media management, data entry, bookkeeping, and research. Excellent organizational and communication skills, proficiency in office software like MS Office and Google Suite, ability to learn new skills quickly, and strong attention to detail. Platforms to find work: Upwork, Fiverr, virtual assistant jobs, fancy hands, time, etc. The earning potential varies depending on experience, skills, and the complexity of tasks. Rates can change from $15 to $50 per hour. The time commitment involves flexible. You can tailor your working hours to fit your schedule. Develop your virtual assistant skill set by taking online courses or certifications. Create a strong online profile highlighting your skills and experience. Consider specializing in a particular niche like social media management or email marketing. Social media management. Many businesses and individuals struggle to maintain a consistent and engaging presence on social media. If you are a social media whiz, you can offer your services as a social media manager. You will need skills like strong understanding of various social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. excellent content creation skills, knowledge of social media analytics, and the ability to engage with followers. Platforms to find work: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Guru. The earning potentials varies depending on the number of clients managed, platform engagement, and the scope of services offered. Rates can range from $25 to $100 per hour or fixed monthly fee. You can choose flexible hours. You can often schedule your social media management tasks around your studies. Build a strong social media presence for yourself. Experiment with different platforms and content formats. Consider taking online courses or certifications in social media marketing. Alright, superstars, that's a wrap on our killer side hustle hacks. Remember, key is to find something you enjoy. Cause let's be the real. Body crushes it when they are bored to tears. So go out there, showcase your talents, and become the ultimate side hustle slayer. And for more epic content to help you dominate college life, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Until next time, stay hustling and stay connected. Thanks.